Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the Whirlpool dryer F02 error code, a common issue that can leave your clothes damp and your patience tested. This guide is fresh for 2025, so let's get right into it and get your dryer humming again. First off, what does the F02 error mean? It typically signals an overheating problem in your Whirlpool dryer. This code pops up when the machine's temperature sensor, known as the thermistor, detects that things are getting too hot inside. If ignored, it could lead to bigger issues, so it's smart to address it quickly. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The F02 error often stems from a clogged vent or exhaust system, which traps heat and prevents proper airflow. Other culprits include a faulty thermistor, lint buildup in the dryer, or even a malfunctioning heating element. In some cases, it's as simple as an overloaded dryer or using the wrong cycle for your load. Don't worry, fixing this is straightforward. Start by unplugging your dryer for safety and let it cool down for about 30 minutes. Then, check and clean the lint filter and vent hose thoroughly to ensure nothing's blocking airflow. If that doesn't do the trick, test the thermistor with a multimeter. If it's defective, you'll need to replace it. For more advanced users, inspect the heating element for any signs of damage and replace it if necessary. Always refer to your dryer's manual for specific model instructions. Remember, safety first. Never attempt repairs while the dryer is plugged in, and if you're unsure about any step, call a professional technician. Most parts are affordable and easy to find online. There you have it. A simple guide to banishing the F02 error for good. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep those clothes drying smoothly.